here's a beginner's guide for Animal Company. Yay! So basically, you're gonna wanna learn how to get money. I have a lot of money. You'll only start out with 100 though. And so, you'll actually have some starting stuff in this new thing called the stash. Basically, you'll see a backpack, and a flashlight. Eject all of the items out of here. Now, you have the first things you need to start out the game. Well, not yet really, but you'll find this tree stick, and it's actually free. So just shove your bags with these. And so this is actually how you can get money in the game. Now you're gonna wanna bring a tree stick and your flashlight over to this mining area. Now, this mining area actually just got added. And so what you're gonna wanna do is don't touch these cobwebs. They lure a very dangerous entity called the spider. He's not very friendly, let's just say. Now, get some copper and get like almost a full bag of it. Just get all the copper that you can. I mean, if you're really brave, you can maybe try going in here. Don't bring a lot of sticks actually, because, well, yeah. And now you're gonna want to go over here and go to this place called the selling machine. Now, the selling machine is really important. It's how you get money. And money is really important because you can buy stuff with it. Also, you're gonna have like 4 research points, I think, when you start out the game. But the first thing you're gonna wanna do is sell everything in your bag. But don't sell your backpack, because your backpack is actually pretty important. Now that you have your stuff, sell it. And now, oh, where's my flashlight? Now you have more money. Yay! Now you won't see that little animation where it gives you the like nut things. Now you have like some money, right? Hold on, does this sell for money? I think you might be able to make infinite money. If you're like broke, I think you might be able to sell tree sticks? I don't know though. Let's find out. Well, since you have like $200 now, right? You might think you're rich, right? But what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go over to these VR headsets. And you'll have like 4 research points, okay? And you're gonna wanna ignore all of this cool stuff, okay? Instead, what you're gonna wanna go to is this. Dynamite unlock, crowbar unlock, flare gun unlock, and tripwire explosive unlock. Now that you have those few things unlocked, you can basically start out the entire game. So, now that you've bought those, you're gonna want to go over to this, and you're gonna see this. You can't buy this yet, so you're gonna have to keep on using the tree stick. I know, you guys are so sad, right? Hold on, I'm gonna unlock something, an item, more specifically. The only things I think I have to unlock are, like, reskins of stuff, so. But, ignore me saying all of that. But, now that you have your tree stick again, oh, there it is. Wow. I just wasted $49 whole. Aww. Makes me sad. Now, you guys probably won't be able to get, like, your flashlight on your hip. I'm just doing it because I don't want to hold it. It's just weird. I don't like it. I don't want to hold it. But now, there should be more coffee. And you're going to want to just collect all of this. Holy... Yeah, duh! Dang it. I'm getting revenge on him. You know what? Yeah, I'm getting revenge. You guys won't have this unlocked, so just ignore me. Flying over here. Wait! Shoot, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Now you'll see some blood. Oh, there goes my stick. Grab all the copper you can, and now run back to the selling machine. Shoot, did I touch that? I think I did. Okay. Go back over to the selling machine, sell all your stuff, not your backpack or flashlight. And you should have enough money to buy the crowbar. Now, I think you might be able, now that you have more money, you can buy the crowbar. Now, unlike the tree stick, the crowbar actually will really help you. And I'm going to explain why. First, it deals more damage, which is obviously better. And it has infinite durability. Then you're going to want to kill the spider, right? And then you'll get something out of the crate that he drops. Now, with this newfound thing, I don't know what it will be, but it'll be something. You're gonna wanna mine more copper, obviously. But this time, you're gonna wanna get a full bag. Full bag. Nothing else, a full bag, okay? Then you're gonna wanna go in here. This has been feared for the entire video up to this point, so. Then you're gonna wanna mine in here. This is kind of safe part of the mines because there's like not really any entities that come here. Well, I mean, the only entity in the mines is the spider. But just get a full bag, and I mean full bag. Oh, well, this stuff, the copper. Oh. Now I have quite a bit of copper. Now explore deeper. Because, I mean, well, this game is kind of about exploring and stuff, so yeah. Get copper. Get a lot of copper with your newfound, like, a pickaxe. Not really a pickaxe, but kind of a pickaxe. Alright. Make sure to get a full bag, because if you don't get a full bag, you won't get all the money. Now, my bag's actually full. Now, you'll just pick up anything that is remaining. And why is the spider over here? This is what we call the spider. The spider is hurts you, as you guys could tell. Now, but it drops you good things, like for example, it can give you a ray gun. I don't want a ray gun, but I'll put that on my hip for later. That'll actually come in handy later. Now, while you were doing your little mining expedition, you might have found, well, you might have gotten the little animation that I showed you on the selling machine, where you sell stuff and it gives you stuff. Now, this you should also get tax evasion. It's somewhere over here. Yeah, it's this. It's over here. Tax evasion, advanced evasion, and fraud. You should get all of those because they're really, really useful. Now, hold on. Oh, almost. Yup.
Watch out, baby in the room. Do not hit the baby.
Okay.
Seriously, sometimes it punches me. He didn't mean to, but yeah.
Yeah, I'm making a video. Yeah. Hello. What?
That was my account.
Okay, he's behind you.